If your business is getting leads, but not converting them, this 90 seconds will change that. Most Austin businesses have the same problem. Leads come in, someone fills in a form, then nothing. The follow-up is late, the lead goes cold. They hire your competitor. The average business takes 47 hours to follow up on a web lead. Your competitor with automation responds in 90 seconds. That gap, right there, is where your revenue is disappearing every single day. We are Aicoads, an AI-powered marketing agency based in Austin, Texas. We build the system that follows up for you in 90 seconds, automatically, while you focus on running your business. We set up your CRM so no lead ever falls through the cracks. We run your Google and Meta ads with AI optimization. We generate B2B leads through LinkedIn outreach. We build AI chatbots that sell and support 24 hours a day. And we create the funnels and content that turn your ad spend into actual revenue. One of our marketing agency clients went from 24 to 91 booked appointments per month in 60 days without hiring a single extra person. If you're an Austin business owner or a US agency and you want to see exactly what AI automation could do for your numbers, book a free 30-minute audit by clicking the button below.